So today I'm talking about how you can connect exhaust pipe together without welding if you ever run into this problem. And this is very common, like if you have a bad muffler and you cut it out or you pull it out and you need to put it back in or something along these lines and you don't have a line feed welder. Well, you can put it back in without welding. There's some different bands and clamps and things like this that you can go about doing this with. And it's very common to do, and it'll actually seal up very good as long as everything is the right size. So like if you have a 2-inch pipe and then as long as it's connecting to another 2-inch pipe and the band or the clamp is also 2-inch, then it will all work and it'll all seal up pretty good. So that's one of the first things that you should do is you should measure the exhaust and be sure it's the right size, because if everything doesn't fit together, then there's going to be a leak. But if everything fits together and you get the right clamp, then you won't have no problems. It should seal right up. And the correct way that you size an exhaust pipe is just get a tape measure and measure it right down the center from the outside to the outside. And quite often, if you look and when you're ordering a pipe, you'll have inner dimensions and you'll have outer dimension. It'll say like OD or ED, but most of the time they're going by the outer dimension. But simply pay attention to that when you're buying it, because two pipes can slide together and one end will be a little bit smaller than the other end, so that when you connect them, they'll fit right in to the other pipe. And that's a very common thing. So like right here, here's a picture. You got, if they say like OD, then it'll be the outer dimensions. If it says ID, then it'll be the inner dimension. So just be sure to get that right is all. Some people get confused and get the wrong size pipe, but it's pretty simple once you understand that. Just measure it, either the OD or the ID, and be sure it's listed that way. And so that's where when you go to order the pipe or what type of pipe you have. And so what are the best ways to connect a pipe without welding? Well, the first one is just a simple U-bolt. These are very common. You can buy these at most auto parts stores. You can also get them on Amazon, and they're pretty low cost. I'll put links down below for everything that I'm reading here. But basically, like I said, before you order in these, be sure to measure a pipe right here. And so this fits a 3-inch pipe diameter, so be sure to measure your pipe. And for this, the inner and outer wouldn't really matter too much, because you can adjust this clamp for that little bit that it'll be, but it'll still matter roughly. But basically, just don't order this if you have a 2.5-inch pipe or a 3.5-inch pipe, then that's too big of a difference. You want to get a 3-inch. If you have a 3-inch pipe, you want to get a 3-inch exhaust clamp. So these are pretty simple to set up. You just put them on, and after you put the pipe over the other, you just clamp them together. They're really simple little devices and quite commonly used in connecting exhaust pipe, probably the most common way. And next up would be a band sleeve. These are a lot more better, especially if you got like a little bit of an angle, or you got an old rusted up pipe and you had to cut it right in the middle, and you can't really match it up to get it to line up exactly with the other side. Then you can use a band clamp, and you could use some RTV sealant, some copper RTV sealant that's used for high temperatures, and that actually, a lot of people do that, and that helps seal it up better. Now this isn't really super good for really long term, but it does work well. I've seen these go for a very long time, but a lot of people tell you that it won't work long term when actually they can. And these two, you can buy them at usually at auto parts stores or on Amazon. As you can see, you go all the way down to 2-inch. Be sure to measure your pipe 2.25, all the way up to 4 inches. And next up is a flexible braid. There's different types of these. They even got some flexible ones that work along with the first one on this list with those U-bolts. And these are pretty good for like if you have a bend somewhere. So you got to go around a corner and your bend's not good or it's rusted up. Then these can be very good for that. They cost a little bit more than the other things, but they can be well worth it, and they simply, they can bend and go in different directions, because you're gonna sometimes have that happen. You're gonna have to go around something and your pipe's not matching up anymore, and so you got to connect something. These are very good if you don't have a welder, and they're very similar to like right here. You see this inside this picture. Hopefully you can see that. Like I said, I'll put links down below, but these right here will work in combination with these C-clamps. And they're commonly used too. They're inside of a lot of auto parts store, and you can get the right size and a C-clamp and go around stuff. So these aren't as well made as these braided braided ones, but they do the same thing. And if I had an option, I would go with these braided ones. If you don't have them and you don't have the option, then you're probably gonna have to go with these here thinner ones like this. But if you can, go with the braided ones. They last a lot longer. Basically, they'll be as good as welding when you're done with those. So that's basically it. I just want to go over 3 of the most common options to put together an exhaust pipe if you don't have a welder. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. But that's basically it. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.